No, don't scroll. You actually want to know how I made this hair, right? Okay, now just make sure you stay tuned to the end. Watch from the beginning to the end, and you are going to see the magic happen right in your eyes. So, right, guys, I will be right back. As you all know, this is Ebony style. So you guys are welcome, and if you are here for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you are my returning viewers, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys, and you also welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach us how to make a lace closure. That's it. So I'll be using a Brazilian woman hair, soft woman hair. Yes, so I bought this woman here. There is no frontal there, so I just have to fix the frontal to it myself. So I decided to go for this hair to make a frontal out of the hair. So right now, guys, the inch of this hair is 16 inches. You can go for any hair you want, anything you just want or feel like using. So right, guys, so I'm going to start from the tip of the hair. I usually cut out a little piece from the hair, and I cut out the tip of the hair. I cut it away, and then I use my comb to comb the excess hair out. You know, if you buy a weave on, they always put this small hair. I don't know what they're putting it for, but they always put it. Any hair you want to buy, even if it's woman hair, they always put it. Apart from this double draws hair, so this one is single draw hair, it's not a double draw hair. So I just comb the essence out, those small hairs. It won't be good for the video. So you can see how I bent the hair. So now I've done some part of the hairs. I'll ventilate some parts of the hairs. So I've done a former video on how to ventilate hairs, so you can still go back to that video and watch if you didn't find this really teachable. But trust me, I'll make you understand more. But you can still go there. I'll drop the link below. Go and watch. So this is how I did it. On these lace nets, there are holes with lines there. So I literally left one line and I ventilate the other line. I think you guys understand what I'm saying. I left a line for another line, a straight line for another line. So if you see that hair very well, I'm leaving a line. And I'll ventilate the second line. I'll leave a line and ventilate the second line. And on the line I'm ventilating, I'll leave a hole, and I will ventilate the second hole. Like I will leave a hole. Like we have holes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll ventilate on 1. I'll leave 2. I'll go for 3. I'll leave 4. I'll go for 5. And I will leave 6. I'll go for 7. I'll leave 8. I'll go for 9, and I'll leave 10. So this is how I did it. This is how I did everything. I'll leave one O. If you can see it very well, that's how I'm doing it. I'll leave a O for another O. I'll leave a 9 and ventilate the second line. Like we have 1 to 5 lines, 1 to 10 lines. I'll leave first 9. I'll go for second line. I'll leave third 9. I'll go for fourth 9. I'll leave fourth 9. I'll go for fifth 9. Fifth. I'll leave 6 9. I'll go for seventh 9. So that's how that's how I did it. So the hole, you leave one O, go for the second O. So the way I ventilate. So right now, guys, I'll use the ventilating pin. Like you can see, I'll put it inside the hole, and I'll use the pin to pull the air out, and then I knot it. So just do it the way you like it, the way that is convenient for you. Just make sure that the net is intact, is not tearing. you didn't tap out with the net and the knot is very tight. You can see in the video that where I didn't make it tight, I use my hand to pull it. Yes, I just use my hand to pull it there so that it will be very tight. So you can just do it like that, and make sure you follow the line. Don't jump, so that it will be beautiful. So that's what I keep doing till I'm done with the 9. Be patient. I said this thing is not even up to a day. This thing it took me like maybe 2 hours. I wasn't even serious with it. Maybe 2 hours. Okay, for a beginner, I don't know, it can take you for some hours. I'm very sure it can never take for a day when you're not doing a full front tack or 4x4 closure. This one is 2x6 closure, and I've done a tutorial also on how to make this particular ventilating net, like how to cut it and how to sew it. I've done the tutorial. I also dropped the link for you guys to go and watch. So I just keep ventilating till I'm done with the line I'm doing. So you put your pin inside the hole, you leave one hole, don't forget. To the second hole, you put your pin inside, use it to draw the air, and then you knot your thing, you knot the air. So I kept doing till I'm done. So I want you guys to look at this part very well. This front side, the ribbon I used for this front side is very tiny, more than the one I used for the other side. This particular place, you can see it's just one strand of air I use. So I just look at one natural air. You get it? One natural air at the front of the air. So you can see now when I'm going for the second 9, look at it here. You can see I left a 9 before the next 9. I left 9A for B. So that's where I know the ventilate. That's where I do my ventilating. So guys, so the next 9, I'll just start it. Like I'll start ventilating it. Hey, I didn't show you very well. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you how I left the 9 for the second 9. Like the one I'm rolling out is the line I'm leaving. So I will not start from second. So I'm going to start from the middle of this 9, this 2 space. Like you can see it now. These 2 strands that are ventilated before. So I'm going to start ventilating it again from the middle. Sure you understand? So I'm leaving a hole at the front for this air. So I'll leave a hole again for another air. So if I continue leaving that hole, it will be falling into the 2 strands air for the former 9s I've done. So that is how the logic is. So you can see like this, the hair is falling into the one hole I've left in the former 9 before I started the second 9. I hope you understand my English. So the 9 holes that I've left in the first in the former 9, the second 9 I'm going to start the air with is going to fall. The line is going to, I don't even know how to explain very well, but it's just going to fall in between the holes. So you keep doing it like the way you are seeing it is dropping, as in I'm ventilating in between them. Like, can you see? If you leave a hole for another one, it's going to fall. And the previous holes, if not previous 9s that I didn't ventilate. So that's how you keep doing it till you're done. So don't forget that I ventilate. I put the ventilating pin in between the holes. I use it to pull the air out, and then I knot it. So that's what I keep doing. Can you see? I'm trying to show you here. How the air falls in between the previous two lines. And this I use my hand to pull it so that it will be tight, to be very, very tight. So that's what you keep doing. See, you're done. So the closure part, this is how I did it. When the hole is already 7 lines, when the holes remain 7 lines, so I left 3 in between. Like I picked 3 in between just for the closure side, and the remaining two, if I remove 3 out of 7, it remains 4. So the 4 lines that remains, I did not leave one line for another, so I just make it tight. Like I make it tight. I didn't leave the line. There's two lines at the left, the 2 lines by the left, and the 2 lines by the right. I didn't leave any line. I just ventilate it straight, the 2 lines, and ventilate the 2 lines straight. As you can see here, I didn't give space at all at the I'm going to leave one line for another one, but when it remains 2 to reach the 3rd line I left at the middle, I did not leave the lines. I made the 2, I ventilate the 2 lines, but the holes, I still leave the holes. On the straight line, you are going to leave a hole and ventilate second holes, but I did not. Yes, that's what I did. I did not. I didn't do the holes. Like I didn't do all the holes. I did it the way we've been doing it right from the start. I left one hole for another hole. So that's how I did it by the left and the right side. So guys, this is when I'm done with my hair, with my closure, with my lace closure. You can see how beautiful, neat, and it looks like natural, just like somebody's hair, like somebody's scalp. You can see. You can't do it more than this. Nobody can do it more than this. Nobody can do it more than this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.